This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring and choosing a method. Decide whether you'll join two cables with an RJ45 coupler, crimp new RJ45 ends, or use an adapter. Once decided, cut to length and strip 1 inch of jacket from both cable ends. Make sure to untwist pairs only as much as necessary. Preserving twists keeps signal integrity. If crimping, align conductors to the T568B standard. You'll need the crimper, connectors, and a tester ready before proceeding to the next steps. You now perform the core work. If crimping, hold the cable flat, order wires to T568B, insert into RJ45 plug fully, and crimp firmly. You should feel a solid click. If joining with a coupler, push each end fully and inspect alignment. Make sure the coupler supports CAT5E or CAT6 to avoid bottlenecks. Once connected, use the cable tester to verify all 8 wires and pairs are correct. If any fault shows, restrip and recrimp, or reseat the coupler until you finish by routing and securing the cable away from interference. Keep it taut but not stressed, and avoid tight bends under 1 inch radius. Plug into your devices and verify link lights and negotiated speed, then run a brief ping or file transfer to confirm stability. If you see errors or no link, first swap in a known good cable to isolate. Once swapped, recrimp or replace the coupler if the tester still reports faults. Make sure connectors are seated and pins are correctly aligned before declaring success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.